Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making some stretch bracelets, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be working on some stretch bracelets. You're going to need your elastic. Now this elastic I've had in my stash for a long time, so I'm going to start with that. I don't have a brand name or anything. You're going to need scissors and you're going to need some beads. So today we're going to work with these red ones, okay? I also have a beading tray, but that's just to hold things here. You don't really need it to make a bracelet. The average bracelet is about 8 inches. So if you look here, this will measure my inches, but like I said, you don't really have to use that, okay? So let's see. So we'll just set it up here and put together a bit of a bracelet. Okay, so something like this. Maybe we'll go 2 in between each one. And we want to get it to about 8 inches. There we go. And then I will show you how to prepare your elastic. I will show you how to string it, and then I will show you how to knot it, and voila, you'll have a bracelet. Okay, so how many inches are we at now? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 8. I think we're gonna start and finish this with those. Oh, we'll need one to go. Okay, so it's not quite 8 inches, but it'll cinch together. It'll work out. Or maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got almost 9. It's better to go a little smaller, I think, than bigger. Okay, so I've got my beads ready. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our elastic, okay, and we're going to stretch it. Now this is a thing that a lot of people don't do, is you have to pre-stretch the elastic, or else your bracelet will stretch on its own after it's beaded, and then your beads will be all loose and floppy, okay? So you have to pre-stretch your elastic. Pre-stretch it, okay? And then we're gonna bead it. Sorry, I keep going in and out of focus. So I'm just leaving it on the spool, and I'm just gonna start beading it, okay? I have approximately as many as I want, and we're just gonna thread it on, okay? So you don't need to watch me thread this on. So I'm gonna pause here, and I'll meet you back when I've got it all threaded on. Okay, so I've got my bracelet all strung, okay? And like I said, I'm working right off my spool of elastic, but I've pre-stretched all of this elastic, okay? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our ends and we're just gonna make a knot, okay? A regular knot for this, so that I did just one of these, but for this second one, I'm gonna go through twice. See what I did there? Now we're gonna pull that knot nice and tight that way. We're also going to pull it nice and tight this way. We are going to give it, let go, a snip. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of glue. It can be school glue or some clear nail polish, and you're just going to put a teeny dab on that knot, and then you are going to pop the knot into the bead. And there you go, my friends. You have just made yourself a stretch bracelet. See how cute it is? That is how you make a stretch bracelet. So thanks so much for watching. Bye now.